In this video, I'll show you how to find the port number of any website directly from your browser. And before we start, if you want a secure and private way to browse online while checking websites or analyzing network traffic, I recommend NordVPN. It keeps your connection encrypted, protects you from trackers, and gives you access to thousands of fast servers worldwide. You can find the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Now let's begin. First, open the website whose port number you want to check. In Google Chrome, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. The steps are similar in most browsers like Edge, Opera, or Brave. From the menu, hover your mouse over More Tools and then click Developer Tools. You can also open it instantly using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+I. Once the Developer Tools window opens, click on the Network tab at the top. Now refresh the web page so the browser loads the network activity. You will see a list of requests made by the site. Click on the main request for the website you are currently viewing. On the right side, you'll see detailed connection information. Look for the section called Remote Address. It will show something like 104.16.208, 203 to 443. Here, the number before the colon is the server's IP address, and the number after the colon is the port number. For example, in this case, 443 is the port being used. You will also see other information like the request URL, method, status code, and more. This method works for any website and is simple to do inside your browser. If you want reliable online protection, safe browsing, bypassing restrictions, and encrypted network traffic, check out NordVPN using the link in the description.